Welcome to my channel, where we strive to bring you the best of the best. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Clearblue Fertility Monitor, a highly popular device used to track a woman's menstrual cycle and identify her fertile window. Before we dive into the specifications of the monitor, let me give you a quick introduction to fertility trackers or monitors. These devices use various methods to track fertility, including basal body temperature, cervical mucus, and hormones. Women use fertility trackers or monitors to plan for pregnancy or avoid it altogether. Clearblue is a well-known brand that produces home pregnancy tests and ovulation predictor kits. Their products are designed to help women determine whether they are pregnant or ovulating by detecting the levels of certain hormones in their urine. The monitor is approved by both the FDA and CE. Now let's talk about the Clearblue Fertility Monitor's features. The monitor tracks key fertility hormones, such as luteinizing hormone, estrogen, HCG, and FSH, to identify up to 6 fertile days per cycle. It has a touch-screen interface for easy navigation and input, and its large LCD screen with touch controls makes it easy to read and interpret the results. The mode of method is via urine strip, and the monitor can store up to 6 cycles of data. The monitor provides clear results in the form of low, high, and peak fertility days. Moving on to the pros of the Clearblue Fertility Monitor. The first one is accuracy. The monitor is 99% accurate in detecting ovulation. It's also convenient, with the touchscreen display being easy to use for tracking fertility. Women can input their menstrual cycle information for personalized fertility predictions, and the monitor can detect a rise in estrogen, providing advanced notice of the fertile window. Furthermore, the monitor provides a clear picture of fertility status, reducing uncertainty. However, there are also some cons to consider. Firstly, the monitor is expensive compared to other options. Secondly, test sticks are an ongoing cost. Thirdly, the monitor generates plastic waste, which can be a concern for some users. Fourthly, it's most useful for women with regular menstrual cycles. And lastly, the monitor requires batteries, which may need frequent replacement. If you'd like more information on the Clearblue Fertility Monitor, please visit our website at www.bestoutofbest.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.